Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. It's a great day. We have the newest check-in Ridge luggage right here in front of us. Let's get it out of the box. And also, I just got my hands on their newest Denver Broncos carbon fiber 3K, which is going to be a separate video. And then I also have their royal black everyday folder Ridge knife as well. So stay tuned for those videos as well. But I will link them, as I will link this check-in luggage right below the video. You're going to see the shoppable links. Go ahead and click on those after the video is done, of course, to purchase. And let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, before we do unbox this is the carry-on I've had for quite a while. Love it. And this one matches. This again is the carry-on, and we'll show you them side by side to check out the different sizes. But again, I love it. Let's get started with the check-in. Alrighty. Now, when this order came, they did put the knife and the Denver Broncos wallet inside here. That's why that red circle was on top of the box, if you are wondering. Kind of hard to see, but inside the box it says your luggage has landed. You got a little plastic bag right here. Let's get it out. Removing that. Let's go ahead and lie it down here and take a look-see. Okay, so let's look at all the features here. Right on top here, we have ourselves a beautiful carbon fiber Ridge logo right here. And then of course we have quad roller wheels with 2 wheels on each side right here. We'll show you that spin here in just a second. On this side of the bag right here, we have ourselves our dual zipper lock right here with combination, and it has instructions to go ahead and set that. And you do have the TSA little key lock that they can do right there. So obviously it's zeroed out and those just lock back into place right there. And when you're ready to unlock it, again, you just slip that there, little Ridge logos here, and there we go right there. So you can unlock it. Have a nice handle right here with a Ridge, says Ridge right here, and another beautiful handle on the top. Again, the same exact style, just larger obviously than the carry-on. And then a beautiful handle here, really nice grip to it. I really like that. I took mine to Dallas, Texas, flew with it. It absolutely did fantastic. Nice little bar to it here. 2 adjustable heights, 1 and 2 a little bit higher. Push button, again, a nice handle. And there is your quad spinners right there, as we can see, all the way around without hitting my sandals. And again, it did a great job in the airport. The carry-on, because this one obviously is brand new. All right, the back of it has nothing there. And then there is our handle in the back of it right there. And then we already saw that side right there. All right, let's open it up. Okay, opening it on up. We'll start with this side right here. Again, pretty much same exact layout. This one does have a dual pocket right here we're gonna get to in just a second. But this is really cool. So these are little clips right here. And then this one actually has a zipper right here. So this is a little bit different than the carry-on. This has a nice deep pocket all the way down right here, where you can put anything that you need to air out, etc. Great little feature. And then putting this back here, you have a beautiful interior here. Ridge, it says Ridge in very small fonts all the way around it, as well on the back of this. And what I like to do with the carry-on is put my clothes in here, and then I smash it down with this, and then I put my little clips in just like this. And that is absolutely fantastic for smashing your clothes down if they're a little bit higher up. You can kind of compress them a little bit. Okay, on this side of the bag is really cool. Up here, top left, you're going to have an Apple AirTag or a tracker area right up here. Now, it does say tear away tag, because obviously you want to conceal an Apple AirTag or a tracker right up here without anyone knowing. It just looks like a patch. So you tear off that little tag right there and you put your Apple AirTag, and it does have some Velcro as well, so it's not going to slip out. And then each bag, let me show you these cool little accessories. Get rid of your little moisture packet here. So this is really cool. This is a Ridge Luggage Eraser Care 101. It's just kind of like a little magic thing where you erase any scuffs if you do get it from the airline. Really cool. And this is just your travel lock instructions. And then these are really cool here. I have one on my carry-on. This is a Ridge luggage tag here. Has a little cool little loop thing to it there. You got some travel 101. Scan QR code for that. And then a little clip out button right there. That folds out, remove your little paper, and then take that out and go ahead and put your name, address, phone number, email right there. That buckles up, and then that goes around this little loop right here onto wherever you want to put that on the either or handle. Really cool. And has a little Ridge right there at the bottom as well. Nice finish to it too. Okay, so you got, again, deep pockets here. You got 2 of those deep pockets and another accessory. This is really cool. cool, especially a couple of different accessories. This is your laundry bag for your dirty laundry. It's nice and large right here, or it doesn't have to be for laundry, but it is netted. And this is washing machine safe, tumble dry low. And you can put all your dirty clothes, socks, your nasty gym stuff in here and just put it in here and then throw this whole entire thing in the wash. It is zippered as well, and a nice big bag again. Let me see if I can get you compared to the size of the luggage. It pretty much fills up the entire area right here for that bag. Then you have like anything maybe delicate, same material as the inside of the bag, says Ridge around it. It's a drawstring bag. You can put your gym shoes in there, drawstring it up, whatever you want to do. Maybe something a little bit wet. Maybe you just had a workout, you need to get on a plane, put that in here, and then of course wash it. Or if you don't want to get this stinky, you guys get the idea. Cool little drawstring bag as well. All right, now on to the main event, which is this side right here. Very nice zippers as well, and everything is crafted really, really nicely. Folding that open, again, this is completely mesh here as well. You can kind of see my hand through that. Folding that open, same exact thing as the other side. Ridge logos around here and a big area here for all your luggage. We're gonna load this up. I'm actually heading to Sedona, Arizona for a mountain biking trip. So we're gonna load this sucker up and I'll show you what I crank in here. Now I know you're curious, so here is the Ridge Check-In, of course, on the left, right next to the carry-on, so you can kind of see the size comparison. Now I do have the entire travel set. This is the Ridge Tech Backpack. I do have the full video up on this as well as the carry-on on my channel already. I'll try to link that in the description box below. But if you again are interested in any of these products, right below the video you have your shoppable links. Check out those links to purchase, but watch the whole video because we're going to shove this thing full of stuff, show you what we can put in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got it loaded up. I got a lot more stuff I can put in here, but let me just show you kind of the get-go. I haven't put anything in the mesh pockets right here, but let's go ahead and start with this side over here, opening on up. And I am going on a mountain biking trip to Sedona, Arizona for 1 week. I am bringing my dog, so I had to bring another set of sheets to protect the bed at the Airbnb from dog fur. I got a lot of shirts. I got sweats, joggers, shorts, because this is Sedona, Arizona, and it's absolutely beautiful this time of year. And then again, these clips are really cool. So again, that kind of smashes it down there, and you can adjust those and tighten those, which is really, really nice. Coming up here, unclip this guy, and of course you can put something in here as well. You could put your laptop right there and then, you know, close on close. You guys can figure out something cool. And then that will fold over. And then again, we have more room in here. So I literally can lay more stuff on top of here, which I probably will, but I'm getting close to departure time. And so I do need to get going. But I got boxers, swim trunks, headband, mountain biking shorts, long sleeve t-shirts for mountain biking, 3 pairs of pants. I have room in here to put shoes in a bag. I could put some running shoes. I could put my wetsuit, but I put it in my board bag because we are going down to Phoenix area for a pool surfing, river surfing. There's this new whole like beach surf wave down just outside of Phoenix called a Rebel Surf. I am going to put my toiletry bag, and so I might give you that clip here once I get that rolling, but I got plenty of room here, and then again that will fold back over to push that down a little bit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the luggage did absolutely fantastic on my trip to Sedona, Arizona, especially if you are going on a road trip and you just need more stuff, or of course a checked-in bag on an airline. If you can get away with packing in the carry-on, obviously that is cheaper for travel. I took the carry-on to a 2-week trip to the French Alps with a snowboard bag. And so if you're trying to nickel and dime a little bit, but I mean, obviously if you're traveling for business, they're going to pay for your checked-in bag. A lot of airlines still do allow you a carry-on for free. Some don't. Anyway, it's a good size. Pack that sucker full, and I pack this sucker full as well. Love the quad spinners on it. They're great bags. And again, if you're looking for a tech backpack, there you go right there, the Ridge backpack. That video again is on my carry-on video. I already have that up on the channel. Look for your shoppable links right below the video right here to purchase the checked-in bag. I will also link the carry-on, and I will also link the tech backpack or backpack, whatever you want to call it, right here below the video in those shoppable links. You'll see them right there. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But just like all my videos, please don't go go into debt for anything I do make a video about, but if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on a way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye-bye.